Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noval Prasetyo Firdaus and I from class 07 SIGM 002 and I want to explain about factor in language learning in my
In language learning, there are some people who are quick to master a new language and some are not. People who are quick to master a new language are those who keep trying to master the second language fluently. There are also several factors in influence this, include internal factor and external factor. First, there are internal factors, include age. Age affects the ability to learn language. The younger the age, the easier and faster it is to learn a second language. Next, personality. A student with an introvert personality will be slow to master a second language. In contrast to students who have high self-confidence. Then, motivation. A student with high motivation to be able to master a second language will be faster than students who have low motivation. Next, experience. Learners who have acquired general knowledge and experience are in a strong position to develop a new language than those who have not. For example, students who have lived in 3 different countries and exposed to different language and culture have a strong basis for further learning of the language than students who have not had such an experience. The latter, a native language. Students who are learning a second language that are from the same language family as their first language. In general, are much easier task than those who are not. So, for example, Dutch children will learn English faster than Japanese children. Furthermore, external factor, namely the curriculum. Students who are fixed on the program without additional assistance will be more fixed on one material. Next, instruction. There are some teachers who are better at providing an effective learning experience so that students learn a second language faster. The last, culture and status. There is some evidence that students in situations where their own culture has a lower status than the culture in which they study language make progress slower. Access to native speakers. The opportunity to interact with both inside and outside the classroom is a significant advantage. Native speakers are linguistic models and can provide appropriate feedback. Obviously, a second language student who do not have extensive access to native speakers tend to slow down progress, especially in the oral or oral aspect of language acquisition. Second dominant theory language acquisition was developed by Stephen of the University of Southern California, Crescent. Crescent is a specialist in language development and acquisition, and his influential theory is widely accepted in the language learning community. This is 5 main component Crescent theory. 1. The acquisition learning hypothesis. This hypothesis actually combines 2 fundamental theories about how individuals learn language. Crescent concludes that there are 2 independent but related systems of language acquisition. The acquired system and the learned system. And 2. The monitor hypothesis. The monitor hypothesis seeks to explain how the system obtained is affected by the study system. When second language learners monitor their speech, they apply their understanding of the grammar learning to editing, planning, and initiating communication. This action can only occur if the speakers has had sufficient time to think about their sentence from the structure. 3. The natural order hypothesis. This hypothesis argues that there is a natural order in the way in which second language learners acquire their target language. Research shows that this natural order seems beyond the learner's age, native language, target language, and condition where a second language is being studied. 4. The input hypothesis. This hypothesis seeks to explain how the second language is obtained. At its most basic form, the input hypothesis states that learners progress along a natural order only when they find a second language input that is one step ahead of where they in natural order. And the last 5, the affective filter hypothesis. This hypothesis describes external factors that can act as filters that got in the way of the acquisition. These factors include motivation, self-confidence, and anxiety. For example, if a student have very low motivation, very low self-esteem, and high self-esteem level of anxiety, affective filters emerge and inhibit learners acquire a new language. Students who are motivated, confident, and relaxed about learning the target language are much more successful at mastering a second language than they are those trying to learn with affective filters in place. The last material from my mind map is Final Point on Grammar. Here, it is explained that the theory of second language acquisition, the rule of grammar in language acquisition, is only useful if students are interested in learning grammar. In contrast, Gratian argues that studying grammar equals appreciation of language and does not positively affect language acquisition.
So that's all from me, and I hope you understand from my material. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.